Hello, my dear students. Liberty Language School welcomes you today. And today we are going to have a mini lesson revision of tenses in the present and in the past, various tenses. Yeah, I know that this topic is really difficult for you. Yeah, but don't get into despair. Everything is okay. Let's practice. The first task we have conversations. I have already completed them for you. Are you ready? I won't be a moment. I'm doing my hair. Could you tell me your address? Well, I'm living in a friend's house at the moment. Luckily, I have found a place of my own now, but I can't move in until next week. Number two. Is this your CD? No, it isn't mine. I think it belongs to Peter. Number three. Can I borrow your calculator, please? Well, I'm using it to work out these figures at the moment. I want to finish doing them now that I have started. Number four. Why can't you wash your dirty plates sometimes? You are leaving them in the sink most of the time. Okay, sorry, the last few weeks I have had so little time. I have been rushing around all the time. B. Read the story and write the missing words. Use one word only in each space. One day a man was walking past a house in Bournemouth when he heard a woman's voice shouting for help. The man thought someone was probably trying to murder her. He ran to a phone box and called the police. The police came quickly, but by now the shouting had stopped. However, the man was quite sure that he had heard cries for help. When the police knocked on the door, there was no answer. So they broke down the door and went in. Inside the house was a woman who had just gone out of the shower. She explained to the police that she had been singing along to the Beatles song Help! Quite a funny story. Really funny story. C. Write a second sentence so that it has a similar meaning to the first. Begin with the word in brackets. Our trip to Africa was in October. We went to Africa in October. We've had 10 hours of rain. It has been raining for 10 hours. It's the right thing to do, in my opinion. I think I'm right. Our sofa is in a different place now. We have moved our sofa. It was breakfast time when Susan ran. I heard Susan ringing at breakfast time. Their game of badminton is always on Tuesday. They always play badminton on Tuesday. So you see, dances are really easy. And we invite you with Ursula Stein to our website, buymeacoffee.com/Ursula Stein, where you can buy vouchers to our super lessons, where, if you are subscribed, of course, you will get access to all of the posts. Yeah, but you have to be a subscriber. Yeah, we have memberships. Yeah, you can be a member or you can buy something in our online shop and come to our lessons. Also, you will read a lot of interesting and important information here on our website. You see that people are supporting us. You can also buy Ursula Stein a book. And remember, it's a friendly metaphor, not a real book. Each book is only €5, and you can buy as many as you like to just support us. So, my dear friends, learn foreign languages and come to us, to the best school in the world. Bye bye.